In this video, I'll show you how to use a Bluetooth transmitter with your TV. This way, once you have connected this to your TV, you'll be able to use a pair of Bluetooth headphones, earbuds like AirPods, or even connect your TV to a Bluetooth speaker and get the audio through the speaker instead of the speakers of the TV that usually they're not that good. So first of all, let me show you this one. This is a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, 2-in-1. There's a bunch of these on the market. I'll put links in the description to Amazon. This is a entry level, but if you want really high quality audio, there's other models a bit more expensive. So first step is to put this device into transmitter mode. So on the back, or depending which model you have, you may have RX, TX with a switch. You need to switch it to TX. This is for transmitter mode. Then these transmitter receiver needs to be powered. This model has a battery integrated and it charges through this port over here, a USB port. If you don't want to worry about this and charge it over and over, there are some models that are connecting via a USB cable to a power source. And you can connect it to the USB port of your TV, so it provides power continuously to this transmitter and you don't have to worry about the battery getting drained. So next step, this transmitter came with this adapter, and as you see, this is an audio 3.5mm jack. Every TV will have a 3.5mm connector for headphones. This one is on the top, but maybe the same connector on your TV model will be down below or over here. So I will connect this device there. And now it's time to turn it on and put it in pairing mode. This model, I just have to press the power button during 3 seconds until there is a red light flashing here. So I'll do that. You see right over here, there's a red light flashing. It means that it's in pairing mode. Now it's time to take your headphones, earbuds, or Bluetooth speakers, and you need to put them in pairing mode as well. On this model, I just have to hold the power button during 5 seconds until I hear pairing mode. Okay, pairing, good. Once you hear pairing, it will automatically connect to the transmitter and the light over here will stop flashing. It will stay red. It means that this has now been connected to that. So go ahead, open Netflix, YouTube, any show that you want to watch, and the audio will come out through your Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, or speaker if this is what you have connected. And at the end, once you're done watching your TV, well, you can simply turn off these, and next time you power them on, they will reconnect with that. Or if they don't reconnect automatically, press the pairing button on this device to connect. If your transmitter is battery powered like this one, don't forget to turn it off once you finished using it so the battery doesn't drain. Thanks for watching. Check my Amazon links, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.